Hello everyone, I'm Ben from AlgosOne. We all know that crypto is changing fast, and just like other industries, this revolution is backed by none other than artificial intelligence. Considering how complex trading is, the need for more innovative, faster and efficient solutions makes sense. But this is making many traders question, will AI completely take over? So, in this video, we'll explore the future of AI-backed crypto trading, its benefits and risks, and whether human traders will have a role or not. Lastly, don't forget to watch till the end, as I'll show you how AlgosOne is leading the AI-powered revolution by integrating human expertise and a trading bot. AI is changing the game. Are you ready for it? Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve with AlgosOne. Tell us in the comments, do you think AI will dominate crypto trading in the future? Role of AI in crypto trading. AI is already transforming crypto trading by analysing massive amounts of data, detecting patterns, and executing trades in milliseconds, something human traders can't do. Furthermore, AI's ability to process data from various exchanges, maintain consistent monitoring of liquidity levels, and adjust trades based on real-time events is a game changer. This adaptability allows traders to benefit from optimized entry and exit points, reducing human errors and emotional decision-making. The advantages of AI in crypto trading. Here are some significant advantages of using AI in crypto trading. Number 1, speed and efficiency. AI can trade in real time, which helps it execute buy-sell orders faster than any human trader. Number 2, 24/7 trading. Unlike humans, AI can monitor the market 24/7. It continuously scans the market and trades wherever it finds the opportunity. Number 3, data-driven decisions. AI bases trades entirely on analytics, which helps remove emotions from trading, substantially increasing a trade success ratio. Number 4, backtesting. AI allows traders to backtest their strategies against historical data. This helps to ensure a higher probability of success before the trader can even deploy real money. Number 5, risk management. AI can execute proper risk management to ensure traders don't lose their profits if the market goes in the opposite direction. AI uses common risk management strategies, stop loss, take profit, and hedging positions. And number 6, market analysis. AI can detect market sentiment much faster by scanning news sources and social media trends, allowing it to predict upcoming market movements even before they happen. Risks involved with AI in crypto trading. AI is very powerful in crypto trading, but it isn't perfect. Traders should know several risks and flaws before entirely relying on AI-driven systems. These include security. One of the major drawbacks of using AI trading platforms is that they're an attractive target for hackers. A single compromised algorithm is enough to result in massive financial losses. Number 2, over-reliance on historical data. Due to AI's lack of understanding of human emotions, it relies entirely on previous market data. While this data allows it to predict upcoming trends, in case of unexpected market shocks, AI is unable to keep up, often leading to losses. Number 3, malfunction and flash crashes. AI operates at lightning speed. While it's beneficial during periods of high volatility, it can sometimes result in extreme market movements when different bots react simultaneously. Flash crashes are rare, but they happen and can often wipe out an entire account within seconds. Number 4, human intervention. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it will still lack human intuition, something that expert traders have consistently improved over time. During periods of market shift, AI becomes almost obsolete and requires immediate human intervention to adjust strategies. Will AI replace human traders? Now we've explored the pros and cons of AI, let's address the burning question. Will AI replace human traders? The answer is no. AI will not replace human traders, but it will certainly enhance their trade success ratio. Therefore, it is safe to say the future relies on a hybrid approach in which AI and human intelligence work together. If you're curious about the future of AI trading, let's examine AlgosOne. AlgosOne is an AI-powered trade automation bot that executes trades automatically without human intervention. To execute trades successfully, AlgosOne leverages AI technology to spot market trends and execute trades, whereas human expertise oversees all the operations and ensures everything is moving in the right direction. In simple terms, AlgosOne combines the best of both worlds, and because it's a hybrid approach, it has achieved a trade success ratio of more than 80%. Whether you're a seasoned trader or starting out, AlgosOne has much to offer. From advanced risk management to identifying profitable opportunities, it provides all the right tools so you can take back the seat and enjoy risk-free returns while it does all the hard work. AI is changing the game, but it won't replace human traders entirely. The wisest approach is to leverage AI to enhance your trading, and with AlgosOne, you can do just that. It trades with extreme precision and efficiency, helping your portfolio grow. To learn more about AlgosOne, check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos.
The AI revolution is here. Don't miss out. Join now.